What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be short, simple, and to the point. About a year ago, actually last month in April, was 1 year of me owning this Mustang right here, this 2-valve. And in that time, I wanted to see around how many passes I have made, give or take. Of course, it's not perfect. I'm not going to know exactly how many, even though I try to keep a detailed record of it. When I looked up on my YouTube channel to see how many passes I had recorded and said that I did on there, I came up with the number of 29. And of course, I thought the number was going to be higher than that. So what I did was I went ahead and looked at some of my slips that I had, counted them up to see around how many slips I have, to see if that was around the number that I had come up with for my channel, which was 29. And when I counted the slips, I had 30 slips altogether. So obviously that was a little bit off by one, and I know that I have lost a couple slips over the whole year. A couple of them blew around in my garage and I just never been able to find them. So I don't know what happened to them. But I went back and looked to see my first couple times at the track with the car, how it sat when I bought it for the most part, to see what we were at. And if you remember correctly, if you were around back a year ago, the car had the tuner, the Livewire TS Plus, but it wasn't programmed to the car. And it wasn't able to program it to the car because whoever he got it from, it was programmed for a diesel truck, so it doesn't run the same calibrations and stuff like that. So with that being said, I had pulled off a 14.4 a couple of times within the first few months of me having the car. And then getting the tuner done, that picked up about 0.3 of a second and a couple other little things. So altogether over the year, we went from around a 14.4 at the start to several 13.8 passes. So we've made up just over half a second in that year. You know, 0.6 of a second, and that's pretty good, especially considering I haven't done nothing crazy to the car. You know, we put on long tube headers, a catless X pipe, and tires, taller tires, a little bit better tires too. They are the Nitto NT555 G2s. Should have went ahead and probably got the NT05s. Maybe I might do that in the future, or just go ahead and go to a regular slick. We'll see about that. I don't know. Get on it a little bit for you. Something, nothing too crazy, barely even touch the speed limit. I figured for this video I'd get the old girl out and drive it around a little bit. I haven't been doing much videos of me with the car actually driving around, just either working on it or standing next to it talking. So I figured I'd do a little video of me driving it. I haven't been to the track in quite some time. I think when I was looking at my passes, the last time I was at the track was January sometime maybe. I might have went in February, but I don't think so. I think the last time I went was in January. So now we're in May. You know, that's a good 4 or 5 months since the last time I made a pass. I just haven't done enough to want to be able to go back to the track, especially to sweat my butt off. It's 90 degrees every day now, so that's no fun. I got a couple videos coming up that won't be of the car. One's going to be on the mini bike, and one's going to be on the little ATV, the 110cc ATV, and I might do one more on the ATV. We'll see. These are videos from like a week and a half ago. I just wanted to be able to do this video and get this video up first, and then roll out them other two, probably pretty close to one another, within a couple of days of each other. One is already edited, ready to go. I just wanted to be able to do this video first. I tried to do it last month. I've just been so busy. So I'd say altogether, I've made roughly 35 passes in the first year of owning this car. And if you remember, I took off about 2 months of racing last summer because the rain kept canceling the track. And then obviously, I haven't made any passes in almost the past 5 months, you know. So realistically, only 5 to maybe 6 months have I actually been drag racing. So to be able to make those 35 or so passes in the first year, I think is pretty good. I originally thought it'd be up higher. I thought it'd be closer to 50 passes made in the first year, but it wasn't. Oh well, not too bad though. Alright, I'm back home. That'll do it for this video. I want to give a big shout out to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. keep on watching my stuff. Make sure that notification bell is dinged, so that way you get a notification every time I post an awesome video. And of course, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. I appreciate it. Show your support. Till next time, peace.